the history and the legacy of the Somnath Mandir. It coincides with the 75th reconstruction anniversary, and the Prime Minister asserted that the temple's chronicle is one of victory and resilience against centuries of invasion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that Somnath's history is not a history of destruction and defeat. It is a history of victory and reconstruction of the valor of our ancestors and their courage and sacrifice. That's what the Prime Minister said. In a speech, the Prime Minister also recounted the initial destruction by Mahmud of Ghazni, followed by repeated attacks by figures like Khilji and Aurangzeb. It also honors the efforts to rebuild the temple by Indian rulers. He also remarked that Somnath today stands tall, and today those who tried to destroy Somnath, they have been resigned to pages of history, but Somnath today stands gloriously as a memory of India's civilizational strength.
लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से आजादी के बाद गुलामी की मानसिकता वाले लोगों ने उनसे पल्ला झाड़ने की कोशिश की। उस इतिहास को भुलाने के कुत्सित प्रयास हुए, बल्कि आक्रमण के इतिहास को भी कुछ इतिहासकारों और राजनेताओं द्वारा व्हाइट वॉश करने की कोशिश की गई। मजहबी उन्माद की मानसिकता को केवल साधारण लूट बताकर ढंकने के लिए किताबें लिखी गई। तुष्टीकरण के ठेकेदारों ने हमेशा इस कट्टरपंथी सोच के आगे घुटने टेके। जब भारत गुलामी की बेड़ियों से मुक्त हुआ, जब सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने सोमनाथ के पुनर्निर्माण की शपथ ली, तो उन्हें भी रोकने की कोशिश की गई। 1951 में तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद के यहां आने पर भी आपत्ति जताई गई। दुर्भाग्य से आज भी हमारे देश में वो ताकतें मौजूद है, पूरी तरह सक्रिय हैं, जिन्होंने सोमनाथ पुनर्निर्माण का विरोध किया। आज तलवारों की जगह दूसरे कुत्सित तरीकों से भारत के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र हो रहे हैं। हमें एक रहना है, एकजुट रहना है, ऐसी हर ताकत को हराना है जो हमें बांटने की साजिश रच रही है।
So while Prime Minister Narendra Modi cautioned against divisive forces and also spoke about how there was an attempt to distort history, how there was an attempt to whitewash the sins of invaders, Congress leader Udit Raj has sparked a controversy. Congress leader Udit Raj says temples were not looted but made to be looted. Now remember, the Prime Minister says that the whitewashing was so clear that an act of desecration and brutality by radical invaders first was called a loot. And for years that kind of a narrative went on. And now Congress leader Udit Raj says, and I'm going to read out from his translated Twitter post. He says temples were not looted but made to be looted. When we were losing all wars, the caste system was at its peak. He goes on to make multiple points, but the BJP has taken umbrage to two things that has been mentioned by the Congress leader Udit Raj in his post. He says, now tell me, was the Somnath temple looted or made to be looted? The rule of the world is to loot and rule over the weak. If even now they're not ready to accept mistakes honestly, then the same will happen again in the future. So here, this is the comment made by Congress leader Udit Raj, where he says, Somnath temple and temples back then were not looted but were made to be looted. There are multiple other mentions as well. My colleague Niyamika is with us. Niyamika, this controversial post by Udit Raj on a day when we saw the Prime Minister lead the Shaurya Yatra in Somnath, where we saw him give out a message against divisive forces, when he also spoke about the history, the resolve and the resilience of Somnath temple, which stands tall today. There are leaders in the Congress party, one, who are not just slamming the Prime Minister for talking about the real story of Somnath, but are also saying that Somnath wasn't looted, it was made to be looted.
Well, yes, indeed. On the day when this Shaurya Yatra was taken out in Gujarat, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also being present, on one side he has given a message of unity. He has slammed the slavery mindset, as we have just heard the statement which has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during this yatra. But on the other side, we have also seen that how the politics has started over this entire matter, as the Congress party has been continuously criticizing this move of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, we have also listened to various statements given by the Congress leaders, including the UP Congress head Ajay Rai, as well as the AICC in charge BK Hari Prasad. They have basically stated that this is the hypocrisy of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but the way in which this entire yatra and the move of the BJP government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been criticized by Udit Raj, who's another Congress leader, that still remains under question, that whether it is his personal remarks or that is the official line of the Congress party, because we have seen that how he has made a tweet today morning regarding this Shaurya Yatra, in which he has basically stated that the temples in our country are not being looted, they are made to be looted, as he basically compared the situation at that point in time, mentioning about the caste system in our country, saying that the invaders were just thousands in numbers, but the Indian citizens were in crores, but it is because of the caste system, the discrimination within our society, that many of the people were not being allowed to participate in the wars, as they were being asked to do their respective
works. Time, Niyamika, when the Prime Minister made it very clear that for years there was an attempt to distort history. For years there was an attempt to whitewash the brutality of foreign invaders, the likes of Aurangzeb, the likes of Khilji, the likes of Mahmud Ghazni. Udit Raj's comment has sparked off a huge showdown. Before we get you the reactions to what Udit Raj has said, let's also listen in to the Congress leader.
Just continuously perpetuating regressive things. What had been done in the past has been done. He should look ahead. Ever since he has become Prime Minister, he has continuously relegated the importance of science and technology and education. Rather, he should choose to become a priest, head priest for that matter.
So from Somnath Lutwaya Gaya to the Prime Minister is acting like the head priest of a temple who doesn't value science. These are the comments coming in from Congress party's Udit Raj. The Bharatiya Janata Party is lashing out. The BJP says that this is nothing but an attempt to clean chit the barbarism of invaders, and this mindset continues to flow in the Congress party. Here are the reactions from the BJP.
कांग्रेस की एक ही पहचान, हिंदुओं का करो अपमान, हिंदू आस्था पर करो चोट, क्योंकि चाहिए वोट बैंक का वोट। पर अब उदित राज, कांग्रेस के बड़े नेता, बोलते हैं कि सोमनाथ मंदिर को तोड़ा और डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं किया गया, लूटा नहीं गया, लुटवाया गया। मतलब अब बाबर और गजनी की भी व्हाइट वॉशिंग कांग्रेस पार्टी आज भी कर रही है। कहता है कि लुटवाया गया मंदिर को, लूटा नहीं गया, मतलब कि इसमें भी हिंदुओं को ही दोष दिया जा रहा है।
कांग्रेस पार्टी हिंदुओं के मंदिर पर हुए अतिक्रमण को जस्टिफाई कर रही है। ये बात को स्पष्ट करता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए उसके आदर्श बाबर, औरंगजेब और गजनी है, और कांग्रेस पार्टी आक्रांताओं समर्थक पार्टी है, ना कि हिंदुओं के समर्थन की पार्टी है। ये भी स्पष्ट करता है कि अयोध्या हो, काशी हो या सोमनाथ, कांग्रेस पार्टी को